Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing some meal prep and we're keeping it classic with a chicken Caesar salad. We're going to use the Vi blender to make the Caesar dressing, and then we'll store the salads in the Luvele fresh vacuum canisters, and that's going to ensure that our salads stay nice, fresh and crispy for the days ahead. First up, we're going to make that Caesar dressing. So into the blender jug, we'll add 1 cup of homemade yogurt or normal Greek style yogurt, half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 anchovy fillets, 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 garlic clove crushed, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Blend on smoothie mode for 20 to 30 seconds until smooth. Pour the dressing straight into a small vacuum canister and secure the lid. The salad dressing is out of the way now, nice, quick and easy, which is what we love. Now we can move on to making up all of the different parts of our salad, starting with the croutons. I've got some sourdough bread that I had laying around getting a little bit stale, which is perfect for croutons. You can use any bread that you have on hand. 2 to 3 slices should do. I've just roughly torn up this sourdough, but you could slice yours up into nice cubes if you like. I'm going to bake these in the oven with some garlic and olive oil, and it'll only take 10 to 15 minutes. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and place the croutons on a baking tray. Mix together 1 clove of crushed garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Pour it over the top of the croutons and toss together to evenly coat. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until nicely golden. Next up, I'm going to move on to the proteins for this salad, and we're not going to skimp on any ingredients. We're going to make sure that these are fully loaded with all the good stuff. We're going to go with some bacon, some chicken breast and some boiled eggs. We'll cook up the bacon first because I'm going to fry up the chicken using the excess bacon fat left over in the pan. Cook some bacon in a fry pan until nice and crispy, and then remove from the heat and drain on some paper towel. Keep the pan on the heat to cook the chicken. Slice 2 chicken breasts into 4 thin fillets, season with salt and pepper, and then cook it in the pan with the bacon fat. Once the chicken is cooked through, place it onto a plate and allow it to rest and cool down. Slice the chicken into thin strips across the grain. For the soft boiled eggs, place 4 eggs into a saucepan with cold water and bring up to the boil. It should take 10 to 11 minutes. Allow them to cool down completely, peel them, and then slice them in half. Once the bacon is cooled down, chop it into small pieces. Toss the lettuce together with the bacon and 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan. So now we're ready to fill up these containers with all of our salad ingredients. We've got 4 of these Luvele fresh vacuum canisters, and I'm just going to distribute everything evenly. So we've got 4 chicken Caesar salads here prepped and ready to put into the fridge. We'll pop the lids on and we're going to use the hand vacuum to seal in that freshness to make it last as long as possible, keeping all of these ingredients fresh and crispy. With the dressing, keep that in the fridge until you're ready to eat one of your portions. Spoon it over the top of the salad, give it a quick toss and enjoy. So that's our recipe video for this week. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you're going to give this one a try for yourself at home. And we'd love to hear any of your healthy meal prep ideas in the comment section below. If you liked this video today, then give it a like for us. And if you want to see more of our Luvele Life recipes, then make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out. And we'll catch you again really soon with another fresh, healthy recipe.